Hi there. Today's topic is Health Insurance 101. Meet Eric. Eric's health insurance policy has a $200 monthly premium, a $2,000 deductible, a 20% coinsurance, and a $5,000 out-of-pocket maximum. Let's also say that he recently broke his leg playing baseball and has just been stuck with a $30,000 medical bill. Yikes! How much of that enormous bill will he have to pay? Let's start with the deductible, which is simply the amount of money Eric must pay each year before his insurer starts paying their share. Eric's plan has a $2,000 deductible. With a $30,000 medical bill, Eric must pay the first $2,000 himself. Then, the remaining $28,000 is split between Eric and his insurer based on his plan's coinsurance. Coinsurance is the percentage of costs Eric must pay after his deductible has been met. In this plan, Eric's coinsurance is 20%, which means he is responsible for 20% of his billed charges. With this plan, CGHC pays the remaining 80%. But the good news is that Eric has what we call an out-of-pocket maximum. The out-of-pocket maximum is the maximum amount of medical expenses Eric has to pay each year before his insurer pays the rest. This is adding up his deductible, coinsurance, and copayments. In this example, Eric's plan has a $5,000 out-of-pocket maximum, but let's not forget that he already paid his $2,000 deductible. Eric only has to pay $3,000 until he reaches his yearly maximum out-of-pocket of $5,000. But 20% of his remaining balance is $5,600, which is well over his maximum amount, leaving that balance to be added to the insurer's responsibility. Just imagine, if Eric didn't have health insurance, he would have paid the full $30,000 out of pocket. But, having his health insurance plan, Eric only had to pay $5,000 out of pocket, which calls for a victory dance. Eric also wonders if a similar type of calculation applies to a doctor's visit or medication. Well, no. In certain plans, these routine expenses are covered by something called a copay. A copay is simply a flat fee you will pay for certain covered healthcare services received from an in-network provider. Check your plan to see if you have a copay plan. The amount may vary by the type of covered healthcare services. As for how he pays for these services, it couldn't be easier. Eric will either pay directly at the doctor's office or just get a bill later on. Hopefully you, and Eric, have a better understanding of how insurance works. If you would like further information, you can register to our blog or check out our website. Thank you for watching.